Meaning of footage.
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 Footage. Footage is a term that refers to the length or amount of film or video footage captured for a particular project. It is commonly used in the film and video production industry to measure the quantity of visual material that has been shot for a scene, sequence, or entire project. The term can also refer to the actual physical length of film or tapes used in the recording process. Essentially, footage is a way of quantifying the amount of visual material that has been captured, and is an important consideration in the planning and organization of any film or video production.